Welcome to Alice in USA. Today we are exploring the historic streets of our nation's capital, taking a walk through the beautiful Georgetown Waterfront Park in Washington, D.C. It is a spectacular summer day in 2026, and you can truly feel the excitement in the air as the city prepares for America's historic 250th anniversary celebration. Let's take a walk together along the Potomac River to experience the lively crowds, the docked yachts, and the wonderful energy of the waterfront. Enjoy the journey.
All right, now if you have a sweat, this is our time to sweat. Get ready for this party tonight, all right? Tag it up, tag it up. High, high around. Hip, hip. I want to see if y'all give them hips again. Give them hips, hips. From the top, here we go. Back it up and down, back it up. Back it up, high, around, high, and hips. y'all gonna take this and make it your own. Y'all ready? Here we go. Back it up and up. Back it up. Ha. Around. Who? Ha. What's up, Bev? And hips. Two. Roll. I got them. It was there. You're right. It was sorta. All right. Give me more than sorta. Give me more than sorta. Give me everything you got. I'm starting this off. Back it up and dump it. Bring it back. Ha. Around. Yes. Let me get those hips. Hips. Ha, ha, ha. Face it. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. We're going to hand it over. We're going to hand it over now.
I was swinging along, minding my business, when suddenly out of the blue, just like a present from heaven, beautiful, wonderful you. The clouds disappeared and the birds started singing a beautifully wonderful tune, for no other song could be worthy of beautiful, wonderful you.
Big shout out to Mark Carton.
You think you might look really kind of